Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. I just want to say Happy New Year! It is 2022. We made it. We alive. We well. All right. So count your blessings. This is going to be a successful year. But anyways, I just want to show y'all today. This video is going to be about how I got this beautiful, nice little refresh for my hair because my hair was looking scary. If you don't believe me, check this picture out. Exactly right. So if you want to see how I got a nice refresh on my hair that only took 5 minutes, y'all heard that? 5 minutes. Then keep on watching, okay? But today I am going to be showing you how I refresh my locks. I just had them in some scrunchies, and I'm gonna show y'all basically what. Sorry, one of my scrunchies fell. But I'm gonna show y'all basically what I do to refresh my locks. My locks have gotten a little bit longer, so there are a couple of different things that I do to refresh my locks now. So number one, I have to spray my hair down because my locks, if they're not sprayed down with water, they kind of stick up. So this is what I do first. You know, spray the heck out of it with water. Don't forget the edges now. So once I kind of spray it down with water, I do this kind of motion, just run my fingers through my hair. I also notice too, I like to separate and make sure none of my locks are combining, or a lot of the stray hairs are separated. For example, let me see. You see right here? I try to separate just random stray hairs that I find. I also will just find anything around, like for example, this is the castor oil leave-in. I just got this from TJ Maxx for $6.99. Okay, that is a steal. I was like, wait a minute. So I go ahead and just spray that in my roots. Try not to forget the back of your head. Sometimes I also will get my brush and kind of brush my hair. Try to get any lint or anything out of my hair. I brush the baby hairs that I have at the back of my hair too, because I noticed that if I don't tend to them, they'll turn into like little knots in the back of my hair. So I try to brush those. And boom, there you go. That's how I refresh my locks. And I haven't gotten a retwist since November, so it's like a month and a half since I got a retwist. So this is basically what I do to get by every day when I don't feel like retwisting my hair and I just want to refresh it and make it look, you know, presentable. So there you have it. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. So in 9 days, it's going to be my 1-year lock journey. So I'm super excited and just want to give y'all a heads up. That 1-year lock journey video is going to be coming next week. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you got that bell notification on so you know when my next video is coming out. All right, peace.